Hey guys, I know it's been a long time, but I'm happy to be back out on the trail and hiking. Today we are doing the Maitland Trail. This trail is 50 kilometers. It starts here in Auburn, Ontario and goes along the Maitland River to Goderich, Ontario. So we're gonna do the first little section today. We're starting here at the bridge in Auburn, right where the Maitland River is. Let's get rolling. All right, we are gonna call it here at the end of Little Lake Road where it meets the trail, and the trail goes off that way. We stashed our e-bikes here earlier so that way we had a way to get back to the van. So we are gonna do that. But first we are gonna go check out Historic Falls Bridge, which is just down this road. So we're gonna go there, have a snack, and then we are going to take the e-bikes back to our van in Auburn. Good morning. We are back out on the trail, just leaving our van on Little Lakes Road here and heading to the trailhead. We are hiking from here to Sharps Creek Line today. We had a bit of an adventure getting here because they just changed the trail about a month ago. So the map that I have is actually outdated, and where we thought we were going to be going on the trail is actually now a side trail. So we had to repack up everything and move it. But we are all set and ready to go now with the e-bikes stashed away so that we can come back to the van. We're just coming up to the trailhead here, so I think we're doing about 10-ish today. I think if we're feeling good, we might relocate everything again and then do a little bit more, but we'll see how it goes. Hey, so normally I'm not one to discuss bathroom situations, but the accommodations on this trail are next level. So I feel like you need to see this in order to appreciate the amount of effort that the Trail Association has come in to make sure that their trails are immaculate. So let me just show you real quick. So first we have this beautiful wood structure. And let's just see what's inside. It is immaculately clean. You have magazines, you have maps of the trail tucked in there, a map of Goderich, extra toilet paper, hand sanitizer. I mean, this thing is amazing. I have never been on a local trail like this and had these kinds of washrooms available. This is the second one that we've come across. It's fantastic, and it just makes everything so much cleaner because then we're not concerned about having to pack out things and stuff like that. So anyway, thank you to the Maitland Trail Association for these fantastic accommodations. And now back to our regular scheduled program. Hey, so we made it back to where we stashed our e-bikes just off of Sharps Creek Road. I think that ended up being about 12 for the day, but it was an absolutely beautiful hike. A lot more up and down than we were expecting, and since we're so badly out of shape, we're a little tired. But we will pick it up here next time and continue on with the Maitland Trail. We'll see you then. Hey everyone, back out on the Maitland Trail today, starting where we left off at Sharps Creek Line, and we're hiking to the Falls Reserve Conservation Area today, which is very exciting. So we actually did things a little backwards. So we rode our e-bikes to the start today, and then we are hiking back to the van, and then we'll come and get the e-bikes afterwards. So it should be about a 15-kilometer day, and it's beautiful weather again, so let's go. Hey guys, so that is about 15.5 for today, and we are here at the falls on the Maitland River at the Falls Reserve Conservation Area. We've actually been staying here the last couple nights as we've been hiking the trail, and it's an absolutely gorgeous spot. Beautiful camping accommodations. You absolutely have to check them out. But tomorrow we'll be hiking from here all the way back to Goderich, and that will be the end of the trail for us. So we will see you then. Thanks so much. Good morning, day 4 on the Maitland Trail, and we are finishing it today. So we are starting where we left off in Falls Reserve Conservation Area and hiking to Goderich today. It should be about 16 or 17 kilometers, and it's another beautiful sunny day, so we're gonna get on the trail. Hey, so we are walking along Saltford Road here, and we're almost to Highway 21. Normally the trail will go across Highway 21 and then over to Tiger Dunlop's tomb and down across the bridge over the Goderich Harbor. However, the bridge is out. So we are actually gonna take Highway 1 into town, or Highway 21 into town, and basically road walk to the end of the trail because we can't actually get across the bridge itself. So just a quick update so you know what it is we have to do in order to actually finish the trail today. So there you can see the bridge there, the Menesetung Bridge. The trail goes along that way and then across the bridge and then down to the harbor where it comes to an end. Hey, so we have been hunting and hunting and hunting around for the official end of the Maitland Trail, and we cannot find it. So we are declaring the lake as the end of the trail. So that was about 16 kilometers for today, and that is 51 or 52 kilometers for the whole Maitland Trail. It's kind of a disappointing ending to such a beautiful trail. We thought there would be some kind of marker or something. There was a blaze on a tree up in the parking lot area, but from there we could not figure out where the actual official end of the trail was. We did not see a sign or a blaze or anything. But we are really, really proud of ourselves. There happens to be a restaurant at the end of the trail, so we are going to go and have some treats and a nice cold drink to celebrate, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you later.